Hi again and welcome. Let's keep adding details to the lake. I will start with this piece, this one. Let's see how can we create this one. The best thing is to take a copy, maybe from here, take all of these pieces and use them. So let's grab this, maybe this one. Yeah, let's grab all of these. Hit Shift D to take a copy, and let's take a copy and put it right here. And maybe I need to rotate it 180 degree, so hit R, grab them, R, and hold Ctrl to rotate him 180 degree, just like that, and then scale this result, hit S and scale it, make it a bit bigger, and maybe I need to hit G to the Z and take it down a bit, just like that. And now I need to rotate it to the Z axis, so R, Z, and rotate it 90 degree. And there we go. Now I got this result. Let's see what we have here. In the right view, control, in the left view, control 3, G, and move them a bit. Maybe right here. And in the front view, let's zoom in a bit and let's see we have small gap here. Hit G to the Z, hold Shift and move it just a bit, just like that. Well, now I got this results. That's very nice. Maybe I can move it a bit, G to the X. Yeah, maybe just right here. I think that's gonna be better. Well, now after that, let's grab those and let's hit Shift D to take a copy down right here, and let's scale them. Hit G and take them up. Scale them a bit, just like that, and G, take them up, just like that. Alright, let's grab this piece, and from the left or the right view, let's bring the 3D cursor right here, Shift S, and cursor to select it, and now it's in the middle, and let's change the transform pivot point to 3D cursor, grab this one, Shift D to take a copy from it, and then R, and rotate it 180 degree, just like that. There we go. Well, that's nice. Let's see what you have in the front view. Yeah, that's nice. What about this piece right here? Let's see what we can do here. Well, how can we create this? I can add a cylinder right here, or I can take a copy of this and edit it. If you want, that's gonna work too. So let's take a copy of this one, grab it, Shift D, and take a copy and put this right here. Well, let's bring the 3D cursor in the middle of this piece, Shift S, cursor to select it, and then grab this one, Shift S, select it to cursor to make it exactly in the middle, G, and take this up, just like that, and scale it, make it big, and don't worry about what's going on right here, that's okay. Make it bigger, just like that. Alright, now let's tumble around, let's isolate this piece alone, tap to the edit mode, and let's grab these faces, alt click and XF to delete them, and hover over this piece because I don't want it, and hit L to link select and XF to delete everything here. Well, now we got this result right here. After that, now I need to fill this area, switch to edge mode, F to grab all of these, and then hit alt click to grab all of these, and then hit F to fill this area, and there we go. Now let's hit number 1 to jump to the front view, and slash to exit of isolation mode, and let's see what we got here. Well, now almost everything is correct. Tap to the edit mode again, hit 1, switch to the vertex, grab these, G to the Z, and just take those down a bit and scale them, but bring this back to medium point and scale them a bit, and just like that. And now we got this G to the Z again, and bring those up, and let's see what we got here in this area. Well, we have overlapping. Tap to the edit mode again, grab these vertices, G to the Z, and just like that. Well, we got this result very fast and very clean. Well, now we need to create this piece, this one. But before that, I have problem with the shading. As you see now, the shading is not correct. If you see something weird with the shading, that's mostly a problem with a normal, so you need to flip normal. But before I flip anything, I need just to go to this option right here and activate face orientation to see. Yeah, that's right, this piece is right. That means the normal is flipped, so I need to flip back this. Alright, grab it and tap to the edit mode, hit A, select everything, and then hit Shift N to recalculate the normal. And there we go. Now it is okay. Let's turn off this option, and now it is better. Alright, now let's add details right here in the between these two pieces. Let's grab this one and let's hit slash to isolate it and tap to the edit mode. Let's grab these faces, switch to the face mode, alt click, hit 3 and alt click to select this entire faces, but we see nothing here. Let's turn off the subdivision, and yeah, we got them. Shift D to take a copy and leave them in the same place, and then hit P S to separate them. Now they are separated. Delete the, well, let's see, maybe we can leave the mirror, or maybe we can delete it. Well, let's leave it temporarily. Let's leave it. And now these pieces are separated, as you see here. Let's hit slash again to exit of the isolation mode. Tap to the edit mode of this piece. Alt click to select this edge loop. And from the front view, maybe I can press E to extrude a new piece, just right there, and scale them a bit. Let's see what we got here. Scale that again. And again, in the front view, let's go to the wireframe. Maybe I need to scale to extrude them again, just like that. And let's hit slash to see what we got. So we just created this shape. Is very easy. Well, now let's alt click to grab this entire edge loop. Hold alt shift click here and bevel them, Control B, and let's bevel this result just like that. And now after that, let's tap to the edit mode and hit A to select everything, and then Shift N to recalculate the normal. And let's check that. Let's go to this option and activate face orientation, and there we go. Yeah, that's cool. Now let's activate the subdivision surface, and now we got this. Let's exit off this option, and let's bring the subdivision back. Or maybe let's tap to edit mode. Let's see what we can do here. Maybe I can take this edge or this vertex, or maybe this one, forward key, and just move it a bit. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Now let's activate subdivision and let's see what we got here. Well, we got this result as you see here. Alright, so that will do it for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.